Today's story is called Two Greedy Bears by Maria Ginsberg, and the pictures are drawn by Jose Oregano and Ariana Dewey. Two bears went out to see the world. They walked and walked till they came to a brook. "I'm thirsty," said one. "I'm thirstier," said the other. So they put their heads down to the water and drank.
"You had more," cried one, and drank some more. "Now you have more," cried the other, and drank some more.
And so they drank and drank, and their stomachs got bigger and bigger till a frog peeked out of the water and laughed. "Look at those pot-bellied bear cubs. If they drink any more,
they're gonna burst."
The bear cubs sat down on the grass and looked at their stomachs. "I have a stomach ache," one cried. "I have a bigger one," cried the other. They cried and cried till they fell asleep. In the morning, they woke up feeling better and continued their journey. "I'm hungry," said one. "I'm hungrier," said the other. And suddenly they saw a big round cheese lying by the roadside. They wanted to divide it, but they didn't know how to break it into equal parts. Each was afraid the other might get a bigger piece. They argued and they growled and they began to fight till a fox came by. "Why are you arguing? What are you arguing about?" the sly one asked the bear cubs. "We don't know how to divide the cheese, so that way we both get equal parts." "Well, that's easy," she said. "I'll help you." She took the cheese and broke it into two, but she made sure the one piece was bigger than the other. The bear cubs cried, "That one is bigger." "Don't worry, I know what to do." So she took a big bite out of the large piece.
"Now that one is bigger."
"Have patience." So she took another bite out of the second piece. "Now that one is bigger." Wait, the fox said, with her mouth full of cheese. "In just a moment they will be equal." And she took another bite, then another.
And the bear cubs kept turning their black noses from the bigger piece to the smaller one, from the smaller one to the bigger one. "Now that one's bigger. Now that one's bigger."
And the fox kept dividing and dividing the cheese till she could eat no more. "And now, good appetite to you, my friends." And she flicked her tail and stalked away. By then, all that was left of the big round cheese were two tiny crumbs, and they were equal. The end.